Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. Coming up on Umkhokha on Monday, the truth shall set you free. Spamandla refuses to meet with Khulekani and Nomkhosi. Khulekani finally sees Nomkhosi for who she really is. On Tuesday, Truth and Reconciliation. Ndlovu revels in his role in Khulekani's faction. Nobonga pushes for a dialogue between Mabusi and Nomkhosi. Kapsile has an idea to benefit from Ngema's determination to prove himself to the Gumedes. On Wednesday, Fighting Dirty. The fight for Khulekani intensified despite Nogbonga's best attempts to bring peace. Mamzobe finds the opening she was looking for and does a grand gesture for her Mkhululi. On Thursday, the car, Sfociya's allegiance shifts dramatically as he bows before a new Mkhululi, sending shockwaves through the room. Manzimande's fears make her to push councilmen into a very difficult position. On Friday, battle for the grounds, the scheme between the two churches widens as the things descend into chaos. Mapalala is disturbed by a dark vision which he cannot interpret. Kapsile and Sabela's friendship blossoms. Thank you for watching.